The undocking took place behind the moon. When contact was re-established, Snoopy and Charlie Brown were ready for the separation maneuver prior to descent. The word from John Young and Charlie Brown was,
"You'll never know how big this thing gets when there ain't nobody in here but one guy. You'll never know how small it looks when you're as far away as we are."
Hey, John, if you get a chance, you can turn on the radar transponder and we'll correlate the VHF ranging with it.
Okay, my transponder is on. Transponder is on and the test switch is in operate.
I should be getting a radar signal here, and I sure don't.
an electronic piece of radar equipment in the command module was not functioning. Without it, there would be no rendezvous and no low-orbit descent in the lunar module to the moon. In mission control and in the two spacecraft, switch positions and procedures were rechecked. For the descent and subsequent rendezvous were the heart of the Apollo 10 mission. From mission control, one last-ditch instruction was sent up.
Roger. How about trying to recycle the power switch, Charlie Brown?
In the command module, Young turned the switch off, then on again.
Hey, that did it, you guys. It's on.
Hey, and I got signal straight though, buddy.
What do you know about that?
A little thing, a stuck switch, but for Apollo 11, it would be corrected.
Okay, Jose, say adios, and we'll see you back in about 6 hours.
Right. Have a good time while we're gone, babe.
Yeah, don't get lonesome out there, John.
And don't accept any TEI update.
Charlie Brown, Houston, 45 seconds to LOS. You're still go for DOI.
DOI, Descent Orbit Insertion, would come about 180 degrees from landing site 2, the primary site for Apollo 11. According to the inexorable laws of celestial mechanics, this burn of the lunar module descent engine would put Stafford, Cernan, and Snoopy less than 10 miles above the site. Once more in mission control, they waited for word from the moon.
Houston, Charlie Brown. They're down there among the rocks, mumbling about the boulders and things right now.
8 miles above the surface, 35,000 feet over the ancient hills. Then a communications problem. Contact with Snoopy was re-established through Charlie Brown.
Hello, Houston, this is Snoopy.
Right, Snoop, go ahead.
We is going, we is down among them, Charlie.
Roger, I hear you weaving your way up the freeway.
Roger, fantastic, Charlie, fantastic.
Roger.